Check this out. Isn't that amazing? Made a fire with steel wool and a 9-volt battery. It's awesome. Hey, welcome back. We are going to make a fire today using this 9-volt battery and steel wool. This is matted steel wool. This is bundled steel wool or a steel wool ball, steel wool roll. And we're using this 9-volt battery to spark these, to get these lit up. This is a really cool way to make a fire. This is a Tinder bundle. If you want to see how to make one, you can watch the previous video. And yeah, this is one of the coolest ways to make a fire. Really neat. A lot of people don't know that you can do this. And steel wool, you can find it at any hardware store, cleaning sections of grocery stores have them as well. So Emery's gonna help me here. Here we go, Em. We are going to use the bundled steel wool, or the steel wool ball. I'm gonna tear off a piece. I like this steel wool because it's really fine. It's a lot closer together, woven together. And in order for it to conduct electricity and pass through, it all needs to be touching. The same wires need to be touching. So we ignite it. We bring it over here. Place it in here. You're gonna blow. So just blow, don't blow too hard, don't burn your hair. We don't want to burn your hair off. Okay, so it started. We're gonna blow it some more though. We want to catch these little twigs. The tinder is caught on fire, so now we want the kindling to catch on fire. Remember, don't blow too hard. It's nice and soft. A little windy. I'm gonna move to this side because the wind's blowing it. I really like using the plate, the bark, because it acts like a plate. I can hold it. It won't burn me. It's just awesome. You can see it get red hot. And so that's what you want. You want it to get red hot inside the tinder bundle before you start adding more. You don't want to smother the fire. So it's caught, we have a fire. We just want to build it up so it's nice and hot. Yeah. You want to blow on it? It'll help. The wind's kind of doing a lot of the work for us. Okay, so let's set it down here. Set it on the mat of pine needles. Since we have it going, we're just gonna add the additional kindling, fuel that we have. Just don't smother it. Allow oxygen to get past the wood. If you layer the wood too thick over the fire, don't smother it. Okay, we're just gonna toss little twigs on top. As the fire gets bigger, we're gonna add bigger sticks to it, as long as it's spaced out properly. Work, Em. So we're just gonna get a little hotter before we put on the bigger pieces. Good work, Emery. Okay, now that that's nice and hot, gonna add some more fuel to it.
And it actually kind of sounds like popcorn popping.
Yeah, it does. The pine needles are cool.
Yeah.
Especially if they're green. If they're a little green, they'll pop a lot more and they'll make a lot more smoke, which is excellent if you need a smoke signal. Okay, now we'll put some more wood on top of that. Some bigger sticks. As it gets hotter, we can add on these larger split logs. It's pretty hot, but that's it. I mean, making a fire is fairly simple, but believe it or not, it's actually hard for some people. So whether or not it's hard for you, that's why I'm making this video, because I want it to be easy. Having a fire is life when climate changes. We did it. We started a fire using steel wool and a 9-volt battery. Pretty cool. It's one of my favorite ways to make fire. It's really easy, but good to have that in your bug out bag, your 72-hour kit, or just try it when you go camping. It's a lot of fun. Was that cool, Em?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thank you for helping me. It's my helper, Emery. And yeah, check out our other videos. If you want to see how to make a Tinder bundle, that's the previous video. And go try this for yourself. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you didn't know how to make a fire with steel wool, and really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day and always be ready. Oh, is the battery bad? Do you want to lick it, see if it's good?
Yeah.
Try it. Here. It's good. Okay. Whew! That's hot.